guys, it's Kara. Welcome to Champagne Taste on a Beer Budget. Today I have for you a whole box spoiler video for the Allure Beauty Box February. But before we get into that, I want to let you guys know that I do have a giveaway currently going on, which ends February 1st. It's for an entire Trend Mood box. So you may have heard of it. It's super hard to get your hands on it, but I have an entire Trend Mood Volume 1 box I'm giving away on my channel, and all you have to do is go to my channel and look for the video that looks like this, and watch that video and follow the instructions, and then you'll be entered to win. The Allure February Beauty Box will be valued at $97. If it's your first box, it'll cost you $10, and if you're a repeat subscriber, your box will be $15 a month, as it always is. If you want to sign up, I'll leave information at the end of the video. But what's in this photo are 3 items, and then the 2 Giorgio Armani Deluxe lipsticks. They're the bonus for the new people, and I'll be explaining that at the end of the video as well. This is the photo of the February box that was released to the media by Allure, and the title is Better Than a Box of Chocolates. So in the upper right hand corner, we'll start with that one, and that is a Wander Beauty Wondrous Glow Highlighter. The shade in this photo is After Hours, and as you can see, it comes in a paper packaging, so it's hard to tell whether this is deluxe or full size. It's pretty safe to assume that this is a deluxe size. The second product will be a lipstick, full size, but it will be a variant. So what you see in this photo here is an Appeal Cosmetics Ultra Cream Lipstick. However, the text next to it says Appeal Cosmetics Luxurious Lipstick. And when I went to the Appeal website, the only lipsticks like this I could find were the Luxurious lipsticks. I could not find the Ultra Cream, and the text that accompanied this photo also referred to it as the Luxurious lipstick. So this may be the wrong lipstick that was featured in the photo. Not quite sure. It will either be the Ultra Cream. If that's the case, we don't have any idea about the shades. But if it is the Luxurious lipstick, then these are the shades right here. And you can see in the upper left corner, this is their best-selling lipstick according to their website. And again, this is a full-size product. And these Appeal Luxurious lipsticks are said to be long-lasting, highly pigmented, and they have a creamy texture. Now, the variation that you could get for the lipstick is the Cargo Essential Lip Color. So this product has 12 shades currently featured on its website, and its description says it is smooth and creamy yet lightweight, and it delivers a high pigment payoff while leaving lips perfectly hydrated and volumized throughout the day. It does have olive oil, jojoba, and shea butter for moisture, and this product retails for $22. Looking at the reviews of this product at the Cargo Cosmetics website, it has a 5-star rating. And for the 5-star rating, that is comprised of 5 reviews. And Deirdre says, "This is the only lip color that I'll use." And Emily says, "This is my favorite lipstick ever." And Barbara says, "This makes my lips feel unbelievable." And Sandra says, "I love this lipstick. It's the best ever." And Sujin says, "I love the color and I want to get more." And my question is, I've gotten this lipstick before in subscription boxes, and this product came out in 2015. I'm wondering why there's only 5 reviews, and why are there only 5-star reviews at the website? Like, there wasn't one person who had a 4-star review? And your third product for this Allure box will be a NYX face brush. So the brush that is shown in this original photo is the Pro Contour Brush. It has a value of $14, and this is synthetic. It has a tapered shape that applies and blends powder contour formulas like a dream. Instead of this one, you could also get the NYX Professional Makeup Pro Multi-Purpose Buffing Brush, the perfect brush to blend and buff cream or powder for a seamless and smooth finish made with synthetic fibers. The third variation for the brush would be the 4.9 star rated Pro Powder Brush. This is worth $17, and NYX says that this is a soft, full brush made perfect for an easy application of loose or pressed powders. Lightly sweep and blend for nice even coverage, made with synthetic fibers. And the fourth product can be seen on the left-hand side that has the red heart on it. This is the Honey Jaret Sheet Mask, and I found this over at the Ipsy Shopper website. The value over there says $3, and it has selected premium tea and rose extract, contains antioxidant, brightening, and calming effects, which allows the skin to stay moisturized and rejuvenated. The fifth item will be a variation item, but will be a Belief skincare product. The one that is featured in this photo is the Belief Pete Miracle Revital Eye Cream. And the full size of this sells for $58. It's good for normal, combination, or dry skin. It's an eye treatment powered by antioxidant-rich peat extract and cutting-edge Korean skincare technology to increase skin elasticity, visibly smooth fine lines, and nourish. Or you may get a deluxe size of the Belief Aqua Bomb Sleeping Mask. This is exclusive to Sephora and is $34 for the full size. It has 4.5 stars, and it is good for all skin types. It's an innovative jelly pudding sleeping mask which replenishes and revives dull, dry skin with explosive hydration for a dewy, radiant glow. Or you could get a deluxe sample of this, the Belief True Cream Aqua Bomb. This retails for $38 at Sephora, and it has about 4.25 stars. It's good for normal, oily, and combination skin. It's an ultra lightweight, oil-free gel cream that instantly cools and refreshes while providing intensive hydration. The sixth product is the Olay Regenerist Retinol 24. This is a night face moisturizer, and the one that I'm looking at online is fragrance-free. I'm not quite sure if that will be the case with the one that comes in the box, but it is good for all skin types. It penetrates deep into skin's surface layers. It has a proprietary blend of vitamin B3 and retinol complex, which hydrates the skin for 24 hours for a bounty of benefits. You'll see visible improvements in fine lines and wrinkles, smoothness, brightness, firming, dark spots, and pores. And I found this sample size that you would get in the box at Walgreens, and it is 0.18 ounce, and it goes for $2.99. And there is a seventh and final item, which is pretty unbelievable when you think that this box only costs $15 a month. You will receive a deluxe size of the Bare Minerals Skin Longevity Vital Power Infusion Serum. This is an anti-aging infusion serum with 4.2 stars. The full size goes for $58. A dynamic first of its kind infusion, our Skin Longevity Vital Power Infusion Serum is formulated with our patented long life herb extract that helps reduce visible signs of aging and damage, improves skin's resiliency and suppleness, and protects the skin against age accelerating factors. And this should give you smoother, stronger, more radiant looking skin in as little as 14 days. And I do like Bare Minerals. skincare products. I sometimes find them at TJ Maxx. And if you've never seen my TJ Maxx videos, I'm going to list my playlist down below. But this is the 7 products that you will receive if you do get the Allure February box. Now, if you are new and you want to sign up for the Allure Beauty box, it is $15 a month, but your first box would be $10 a month. And for the bonus this month for the new subscribers, it would be a Giorgio Armani Deluxe Size Lip Maestro lipstick in the shade 206 Cedar, and that is a brown shade. It has a deluxe matte finish. And you would also get a Giorgio Armani Rouge Diamante Matte Bullet Lipstick. That would be in shade 400, and 400 is a red crimson. And if you sign up during the month of January, then you just need to know that your first box will be this box right here on the screen. This is the January box. And in this box, there were a lot of great items. There were a full-size mascara, deluxe sizes of Kate Somerville products, and other skincare products, and a wonderful lip balm. So if you do sign up in January, you will get this January box. And if you see the Caudalie in this photo here, that was the bonus for a few weeks ago for the new people. However, the current new bonus is the Giorgio Armani Lip Duo. And I will leave a link down below where you can sign up. And that's my personal link. And if you sign up, then they will send me a little bonus of like a deluxe eyebrow thingy, probably. So what do you think of this February box? Leave a comment down below what you think of this box, what your favorite item is. I really like the Belief and Bare Minerals skin products. They are wonderful. The NYX brushes look really good too. And I'm sure the Wander Beauty highlight would be very pretty. And I just hope that I don't get a red lipstick, because that seems to happen way too much. But thank you so much for watching this video. Please hit the like button because it would really help my channel out, and I'm just a small channel. And also subscribe, hit notifications so that you know when I'm uploading a new spoiler video, whether it's Allure or Ipsy or BoxyCharm. And I will see you guys at the next video. And don't forget to head on over to this video right here so you can enter my current giveaway, the free whole Trend Mood Box Volume 1. Bye guys, see you at the next one.